AI agents change over time. Prompts get edited, tools get added, permissions get expanded, retrieval sources get updated. If those changes touch production workflows, they need change control. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple change control process for AI agents, so updates are reviewed, tested, rolled out, and reversible. A tiny agent change can create a big production shift. One prompt edit can make the agent more aggressive. One new tool can give it write access. One policy change can alter when it escalates. One retrieval update can change the evidence it sees. If agent changes go straight from idea to production, you are not operating a system. You are gambling with automation. Change control starts by defining what counts as a change. It is not only code. For AI agents, changes include prompts, system instructions, tool schemas, permissions, model versions, retrieval sources, approval rules, memory policies, thresholds, workflows, and output templates. If it can change what the agent decides or does, it belongs in the change process. Not every change needs the same level of review. A typo fix in a label might be low risk. A new read, only data source, might be medium risk. A new write action, new permission, new escalation rule, or new production workflow should be high risk. Risk classification decides how much testing, approval, and rollout control the change needs. Every meaningful change should start with a change request. Keep it lightweight. Capture the reason for the change, the expected behavior, affected workflows, risk, tier, test plan, rollback plan, and owner. The goal is not bureaucracy. The goal is to make the change understandable before it affects real work. Next, require diff. Show exactly what changed. Prompt diff, policy diff, tool permission diff, retrieval, source diff, model or config diff. If reviewers cannot see the change clearly, they cannot review the risk clearly. The diff is where vague updates become operational evidence. Before approval, test the change against known cases. Use regression tests for old behavior, risk tests for dangerous actions, and edge cases for missing data or ambiguous instructions. If the agent used to escalate missing ownership, the new version should still escalate missing ownership. A change that passes the happy path but breaks safety behavior is not ready. After approval, roll out in stages, start in simulation or monitor only mode, then draft mode, then limited write mode, then broader automation. This gives you time to catch drift, bad outputs, tool errors, and unexpected behavior before the agent has full production impact. Every agent change needs rollback readiness. Keep the previous prompt, tool config, policy version, model setting, and retrieval index reference. If the new version behaves badly, you should be able to step back quickly. Rollback should not depend on someone remembering what the old settings were. Change control also needs audit and communication. Record who requested the change, who approved it, what changed, when it rolled out, what tests passed, and where to find the rollback version. Notify the people affected by the workflow. Production agents should not change silently when humans rely on their behavior. Imagine a vulnerability management agent. You want to let it update ticket priority automatically. That is not just a prompt tweak, it is a new write action. The change request should define the risk, show the permission diff, test priority changes on sample findings, require approval from the security owner, roll out in limited write mode, and keep rollback ready. That is how you add capability without losing control. Here is the checklist. Define what counts as an agent change. Classify risk. Require a lightweight change request. Show diffs for prompts, policies, tools, permissions, and retrieval. Run regression and safety tests. Approve based on evidence. Roll out in stages. Keep rollback ready. Record the audit trail. Communicate behavior changes to affected humans. AI agent change control is not about slowing builders down. It is about making sure production automation evolves safely. If your agent can affect tickets, access, alerts, approvals, or security status, every meaningful change should be visible, tested, approved, and reversible. If you want more practical AI agents for cybersecurity and automation, subscribe.